Only a true British can guess these 10 animal names without vowels. First one, let's go. Tiger. Second one. Lion. Third one. Penguin. If you got the first 3 right, like the video. Fourth one. Kangaroo. Fifth one. Panda. Sixth one. Sheep. Before we continue, your phone is probably being spied on. To find out, click the arrow at the very bottom and select the More option. If there's a gray radar app, delete it quickly. Seventh one. Giraffe. Eighth one. Cow. Ninth one. Horse. Are you ready for last expert level question? Don't forget to follow and comment your score. Bear.